crowd intelligence software. An important goal of crowd intelligence software is to provide stakeholders with the ability to analyze historical data when making plans about space utilization and safety, while also providing easy access to current data on demand. Most crowd intelligence applications provide facilities managers and their staff members with an executive dashboard that can be used to query historical data or visualize a venue's current state. More advanced apps will also have an SMS push notification mechanism that will automatically alert facilities managers and their staff when there are sudden anomalies in parameters such as crowd density, crowd movement, space utilization, room density, line length, wait time. The use of crowd intelligence software enables stakeholders to proactively make cost-effective, data-driven decisions about staffing, security and sanitation. Potential customers for crowd intelligence and space utilization analytics software include chief operation officers, COOs, and facilities managers at sports arenas, entertainment venues, college campuses, corporate offices and public areas.